Okay, so now that we have set up our shop, made our designs, and know how to do marketing, let's talk taxes and financials. This can oftentimes be probably the most scary thing for people wanting to start their own Etsy shop and own business, and oftentimes really something that will deter you guys from even starting a business, which I always think is so crazy because once you are in it and you've done it, it is so simple. Now, just to note, I am not a tax professional and not legally qualified to give tax or financial advice, but this is simply just what I do in my own business. So I can break it down for you guys in three simple steps. So, number one, I would recommend that you guys open a business bank account. This is always good, especially for come tax time, where you can see what money has come in and what money has gone out of your business account. So now you can sign up for Etsy in two different ways. You can sign up as an individual or as an LLC. That's totally up to you. And I would highly recommend talking to your CPA or business advisor, whoever you have working on your taxes, to see what makes sense for you and your family and your financial situation. So there are limits, I think, according to Etsy. I haven't looked it up in a while, but I can check on that for you guys. Where it used to be, if you made under like $500 or $900 a year, then you did not have to sign up as an LLC, but that could have changed. And obviously, we're wanting to make more than that. So I always recommend getting an LLC. I have other businesses, so I definitely have one, and it just helps protect you. So if you're not familiar with what an LLC is, it's basically just creating a business entity that you do all of your business underneath. And that way you are not personally liable for if something goes wrong and someone sues you. That was my big reason for getting it, is just, if God forbid anything happens, then it all goes through your LLC, and your personal assets, like your home, are not at risk of being taken as collateral for anything like that. So I always do recommend getting an LLC, especially if you're planning on making a lot of money through your business. That's always just a smart thing to do. And then lastly, put away at least 25% of everything you make for taxes. Now, I always put this right into the business account. So I have my business account at a totally different bank than my normal personal accounts. So I'm a big believer in out of sight, out of mind. So I save that 25% and I do not touch it and I do not look at it the whole year. And come tax time, I know taxes seem scary, like you're going to have this big amount to pay, but if you've been saving all year in that separate account that you have not touched, it's not going to be a big deal. And you're going to have the money in there. I've never had to pay more than 25% because once you are, especially an LLC, you can take off business expenses. And some of those expenses could be taking off the price of Canva Pro, taking off the price of just different things you use for your business. If you're doing handmade things, whatever it may be, also talk to your CPA about what exactly could be taken off as a business expense. So there is literally tons of stuff. Also, buying this course can be a business expense. So you could take that off of your total gross income. So it's just good to know what you can take off, because that will really dwindle the amount of money that you will owe for your taxes. And if I can add one more thing in here, it is to use TurboTax. I personally use TurboTax, and then I just talk to a CPA as needed. You can also talk to financial advisors and CPAs through TurboTax. And at least last year, it's tax time right now as I'm recording this, so I'm going to be checking in the next week. Etsy actually has an integration with TurboTax built in. And at least last year, like I said, I got a discount for signing up through that. So definitely check that out if you are trying to keep your taxes and financials straight and on the up and up, especially with your Etsy shop. There was an integration last year, and there probably still is to this day. But I love TurboTax. It's really super easy to use. Obviously, I'm not an affiliate. I don't get paid for saying that. It's just something that I've always used, and it's worked out really well. It was really easy, and it made taxes and refunds super simple. Plus, they check everything on their end, and then you can also pay for like audit protection and things like that. So they go through with a fine tooth comb, make sure everything's correct. And then, God forbid, if something were incorrect, they deal with all of that on their end. So it really eliminates all of the scary stuff about taxes by using something like TurboTax or a qualified CPA. So I always recommend doing those two things just to make sure that one, it's not as stressful on you, and two, you are always doing what is right in terms of taxes and financials. So that is my 3 to 4 steps on how to do your taxes and financials. So definitely make sure that you guys are reaching out to the right people and getting everything organized when you are starting your shop. It makes it a lot easier rather than doing it right around tax time and trying to scramble and do everything all at once.